Hi friends, today's video is on very beautiful and attractive houseplant, Croton. Croton comes in large varieties of colors and shapes, but their care is same. They add explosion of colors, and this variety is known by the common names of Croton Gold Dust or Sunspot Croton. The names are based on the appearance of their leaves. The croton is native to southern Asia and the western Pacific Islands, where the humidity levels are higher. Now, I am gonna share some tips and tricks how to care for gold dust croton. Let's talk about its watering conditions. Water only when the soil begins to dry out. Water it thoroughly until the water flows out of the bottom of the container. They aren't as thirsty as other indoor plants but will drop their leaves if kept too dry. During the growing season, watering should be regular to keep the soil moist. Cut back watering and feeding when winter rolls around. Next comes light. Bright light causes them to produce brightly colored leaves. Direct sunlight can damage the plant. They enjoy partial shade for several hours during the day when planted outdoors. This plant prefers temperature between 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit all around the year. That means they like consistent temperature. Crotons appreciate generous amount of humidity. You can boost the humidity by misting the leaves once a week. Next, I will discuss about its soil and transplanting. Constant moisture in the soil is essential for crotons to grow lush. Use well-drained, organically rich and slightly acidic soil. Well, crotons are one of the easiest plants to propagate. Stem cuttings are easy to obtain and maintain. And this one I have propagated through stem. As far as its fertilization is concerned, use a general houseplant fertilizer once in early spring and early summer. Do not feed a plant in fall or winter. Crotons add a tropical touch to your home. They prefer bright indirect to bright light. They does have air cleaning properties. They are toxic to pets and children and can cause mouth irritation and digestive reaction. These are extremely fussy plants and can drop their leaves all of the sudden just from a single change of environment. They don't like to be moved. They are known to drop their leaves if moved from warm to cold place as they don't like cold. Don't panic if your plant drops few leaves upon arrival. Generally, it doesn't like to be moved. So, few falling leaves within a week doesn't mean your plant is doing anything wrong. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions related to this plant. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.